Hello everyone. I'm just gonna be doing principles on accounting equation. Accounting equation. Accounting equation. Right. So it's easy, guys, to do accounting equation. And remember, by my understanding, is that accounting equation is the one that is the beginning, is the introduction of the principles of accounting. That is how I understand it. And the first thing that you need to know before you prepare the accounting equation, remember, most of you know that accounting equation is asset, it's equal to owner's equity plus liabilities, right? So in this case, before you go there, you need to know what we call the elements of financial statements. The element of financial statements, right? So this is what you must know. The element of financial statements, there are 5. 1, assets. 2, owner's equity. 3, liabilities. 4, income. 5, and expenses. Right? So this is what you must know best before you come and prepare your accounting equation. Remember, we're also going to be dealing with effects in the accounting equation, where we are going to look at whether we have to debit or credit, right? So in the first place, you must know the elements of financial statements and where do they increase or decrease. Which side does asset increase? Which side does asset decrease? And then we're going to do all of that with all of these elements. So assets increases on the debit side, decreases on the credit side. And then owner's equity increases on the credit side, decreases on the debit side. Liabilities are the same as owner's equity in terms of the principle of decrease increase. So they increase on the credit side and decrease on the debit side. And then incomes as well, they increase on the credit side and then decrease on the debit side. And then expenses increase on the debit side, decrease on the credit side, right? So in this case, once you know all of this, you'll know what effect when you go to the accounting equation. So with accounting equation, if you check, we don't have where we ought to record income and expenses. So with income and expenditure, right? Just gonna be short and brief, and then I'll end it here, and then I'll continue in the next video, right? But just look at this one and take it from here, right? If you check, we only have assets, owner's equity, and liabilities, of which they are there, right? This one is there, and then this one is there, and then this one is there. But these two are not there, but they are part of this. They are part of this, because when you find a question in an accounting equation where you have to deal with income and expenditure, you just have to know that incomes increases our owner's equity and expenses decreases our owner's equity. Like these ones will be accommodated in the owner's equity account, right? They are not, income is not owner's equity, expense is not owner's equity, but they will be accommodated in the owner's equity because they affect it. How? As I was explaining, just to repeat so that people can get it right and should be clear. Incomes increases the owner's equity. Incomes increases the owner's equity. That's why I put plus there. Expenses decreases minus our owner's equity. Expenses. I hope you will get it right. So that is how you should understand. I'll maybe in the next video I'll explain in terms of an example, but for now take it from here that accounting equation, it's easy. You just need to understand where the asset increases, decreases, and then you also have to know where the owner's equity, or let me say, you have to know how do elements of financial statements work before you prepare your accounting equation. Once you get that, and then some of you ask, how do I record the income and expenditure in the accounting equation? They affect your owner's equity. I repeat, your income increases your owner's equity, and then the expenses decreases your owner's equity. Take it from here. Thank you.